is a heel shift spacer. So the heel shifter goes right here. I don't like the heel shifter, so I'm going to install this. This is from Covingtons. I want to point out I was a little unhappy with the quality of this product. These edges, so I'm assuming they powder coat this and then they take it and run it through the grinder to get this metal finish. Well, they left the sharp edges on here so it doesn't look uniform. You can kind of hear, can you hear that? I don't think you can, but so you can tell that it wasn't very well ground. I don't know if you can see this. You can see the difference where it's left right there. Kind of turn it there for you. So they didn't do a very good job on this piece. And it was all covered in shaving, metal dust. And then the paint. I understand they gotta have it on the powder coat hook to powder coat it. So, and I did double check this beforehand. This is a 1/4 inch Allen. So let's take this off here. Get the ratchet going the right way. That's off. So that's how that'll look on there. Now you do remove this rubber spacer. That's wide enough to take up the rest of the slack here. Now I probably should have double checked my indexing on the shifter, but it's easy enough to change if I don't like the feel. So no big deal. No harm, no foul. And I've heard of these shafts stripping out if you don't get these tight enough, so just make sure you get it tight enough. You'll kind of feel before you get too much put into it. I don't use a torque wrench or anything. So there's that. That's how that. It does kind of move with the arm. There is pressure against it, but it can still turn. So that's a nice little touch to get rid of that gap and the rubber ring on there. Now I did buy that from Revzilla, and I contacted them and they were very gracious, and I told them I didn't want to return it. I'll touch it up a little bit and get it the way I want it. But it doesn't look that bad on there, and you probably won't see it, but they were willing to work with me. They gave me I think a $20 store credit. So I know where it goes on there, but you'd think they can make it better, especially for $40.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Go to VTWINKIE.com.